which I received this morning, and this is of eyeball overhead headphone which costs about 1500. So let's unbox it and see its contents, and let's do it. So here comes my headphone which I have ordered from Flipkart this morning. So this is an eyeball Decibel headphone. You can see its billing here. So it costs about 1551, and its name is Eyeball Decibel Black Edition Alexa wireless headphone. So let's all this stuff keep it aside and see our main box contents. So if we take about a look in this box, so it's very nicely packed and it looks attractive. So let's open the box and see its content. So it's packed from both sides, and let me tear the sellotapes. So here it goes, and we can find the headphone after here. So there's nothing more inside the box, but we get a pretty good headphone inside it. So here comes a headphone. Let's keep this stuff aside and let's check what was else in the box. So here we can get a user manual of eyeball, how to operate it. So we don't need this bad stuff. So let's keep all this aside. And here we get a charging USB cable type B, and here we get an aux cable which we can attach with our phone if the battery of this Bluetooth goes down. So now let's check the specs of this headphone. So let's see. So first we'll talk about its hardware components. So you can see that there's a two overhead headphone, and you can see this outward headphone through which you can get the sound outwards also. So here you get a cushion cover which is very comfortable for your head, and you won't hurt yourself when you wear it. So, and this inside of the right ear we can get a power off switch on button and volume up down button, and there's a memory card slot which is a very good specs about this headphone. And all over it's a very good, its build quality is very high. So it is more or less very good for a new overhead headphone user, because this can be a perfect choice because of its outstanding audio quality. So let me show you the specs of this software components. So let's see what we have. As it is told that we are having a inbuilt Alexa in this headphone, so I will also check it. So before that, let me check the audio quality and see that how is it.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And